What's up everyone? Welcome back to Groove Drives. Today we're going for a drive in this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS 580 4MATIC. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission. So the GLS 580 is definitely a really nice GLS to get instead of like the, the 450, because you get the big V8 in this car and a lot more power. You also have EQ boost in this one with a good low-end torque and the hybrid component. You have a Burmester audio sound system. You also have open pore wood trim in this vehicle. You have a nice beige interior and you have a sunroof. I'm surprised it's not panoramic, but nonetheless you do have a sunroof. And sorry about the AC being so high. It is like 110 degrees, so it's extremely hot here in Texas, so bear with me. You also have ventilated seats and heated seats. All your seat controls are on the door. You have the digital gauge cluster screen and center screen over there. You have the column shifter, put the vehicle in reverse. You have a 360 view camera. You have a dynamic mode selector over there. You can also control this with the touch screen, or use this right there as well. Air suspension, glove box, or center console, I mean. Well, let's walk around this GLS and then we'll take it out for a drive. I also like this wood trim on the wheel. I really like wood trim for whatever reason. Mercedes-Benz plate over there lights up. And this is an AMG line, it looks like, because you have the AMG wheels. Looks sporty. I really like those wheels. It's a good looking GLS. You also have black mirror caps, nice looking grille, and nice LED headlights. And I love the giant AMG logo on the wheels. And I like the flared fenders with the AMG line package. This one also has captain's chairs. Some of them come with a bench, so it's better to have captain's chairs in a vehicle like this, in my opinion. You also have AMG floor mats, so yes, nice AMG line touches. GLS 580 4MATIC badge on the back, dual outlet exhaust. Let's look at the trunk space. Even with the third row up, you have a decent amount of cargo space to fit your groceries and stuff, but obviously for bigger items, you can fold down the third row and get those items in there. This is definitely a great example of a pre-owned Mercedes. It is 6 years old now, so very affordable compared to the original price, which was probably well over $100,000. So if you're shopping for a Mercedes SUV and you need more room than the GLE, you get the GLS. And you can also obviously get a G-Wagon, which is kind of like a completely different kind of SUV. But
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
never mind.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that. What can I do for you?
That's funny. The car thought I was talking to it when I said Mercedes. So the AC works quite well, which is helping me out considering the heat. Yeah, nice pickup. You can feel that torque in this thing. That's good. The car is pretty elevated above the road. Makes sense for a GLS. You definitely have really good road presence in this vehicle and ride height. You also have the auto start stop, which I need to figure out how to turn off. Yeah, there it is. I'm not a fan of that in any car. Seats feel pretty comfortable as well. The headrests have a nice shape to them to keep your head comfortable if you rest your head on it. Yeah, it's smooth acceleration. This 2020 GLS has roughly 60,000 miles. So roughly 10,000 miles a year, which is lower than industry standard. So this is a pretty good condition used 2020 model. And the V8 sounds great. in the sport mode, the ride is pretty smooth and comfortable, which is nice. Definitely stiffens up the steering a little bit and all that. Yeah, this is an enjoyable SUV to drive. It feels great overall. For a big SUV, it drives exactly how I expected it to, and has a nice, some little amount of sportiness to it, which is cool. Transmission's responsive, engine sounds good. It feels like a great family hauler SUV. So, we've now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine, so that concludes today's video on this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS 580 4MATIC. Really nice big SUV right here. I don't think I've ever even made a video on any year of the GLS, so I'm glad I was able to get a video on this one. Thank you as always for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this one.